Now we will see cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. It is moving sticky substance. Many cell organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the medium for cellular chemical reactions. The part of cytoplasm other than organelles is the cytosol. Cytosol stores vital substances like amino acid, glucose, vitamins, etc. In animal cells, cytoplasm is more granular and dense, while in plant cells, it is thin and mostly pushed to the periphery due to a larger central vacuole. Periphery means border or walls. Cell organelle. A organelle is a specialized subunit having specific function within the cell. They are organs of the cell. Each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane. Lipoprotein means fats and protein. Except nucleus and chloroplast, all other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. Nucleus. Try this activity. Take a drop of water on a clean glass slide. Using an ice cream spoon, gently scrape the inner surface of your cheek. With a needle, transfer a little material from spoon to the water drop on the slide and spread it evenly. Put a drop of methylene blue stain on the smear. Put a cover slip and observe under microscope. Did you observe the cells with blue nucleus? Observation. On performing this activity, we observe cheek cells on the slide. Cheek cells are flat and irregular in shape. These cells lack cell wall. A distinct blue nucleus can be observed on viewing the cells under the microscope after methylene blue staining. See, you can see the cheek cells. The dark round spot seen under the microscope while observing the onion peeling stained with iodine is the nucleus of the cell. When observed under electron microscope, we can see nucleus covered by a double layered membrane with small pores. These pores allow the passage of material in and out of the nucleus. Nucleus has one round nucleolus and a network of chromatin fibers. Chromatin fibers are thin thread-like structure which condense to form short, thick chromosomes at the time of cell division. Functional segments on chromosomes are called genes. Functions of nucleus. First, it controls all metabolic activities of the cell and also the cell division. So you can see the cell division. It is involved in the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offspring.